Alright, so today we're going to be working on our full plank, and this is one of my favorite movements just because of how many variations that you can go into once we've figured this movement out, and it's relatively simple. So what we're pretty much going to do is be in full push-up position. Let me pull the mat out of it. Full push-up position, and we are going to hold, okay? Our goal is to keep our body nice and aligned, hips, shoulders, and feet. While we're in this position, we're gonna keep nice and engaged in our core, engaged in our glutes, and we're gonna hold. Now, one of the common mistakes that people are actually going to make in this position is you're so tense and tight and trying to keep your body together in one piece that you forget to breathe. So just a friendly reminder, remember to breathe while you're doing this exercise. It does a great job at engaging all of our hip muscles, our upper body muscles, and helps increase core stability there. And that is our full plank.